Hello everyone, this is Paul from HIFIMAX. This is the digital cluster for Mercedes E-Class for the car with NTG 4.5 and NTG 5.0. Here you can see. Here. This model is just for left-hand drive only. When your car is right-hand drive, it not fit. Okay, on the back it's just like this. Here. Okay, here is the blanket. You can see this is just for left hand drive. Okay, like this. Now I fix the blanket to the screen and show you. It's just like this. Okay, here, let me show you. Here. Just like this. Here is the installation menu. Here, step by step. As you can see, it take out the OEM dashboard. Here, take out. Remove the screw to remove the OEM dashboard. Here it have take out, right? And this one cover to OEM dashboard and then fixed by screws. So in fact, it keep the OEM dashboard in the car. So nothing lost after you install this digital cluster. And just fix by screw, then will be fine. Here. And there's some screws here. By the way, this model is just for the car with free instrument panel. If the car with 5 instrument panel, it will not install, not fit. Okay, thank you very much.